The 2009 Kia Rondo is a vehicle clearly designed with only function in mind. Such cars are usually about as endearing as your washing machine, and yet something about the Rondo makes us feel all warm and fuzzy inside. Perhaps it's just that Kia Rondo is fun to say, or we like that it looks like a Pokemon grafted onto the front of a construction helmet. Perhaps it's simply that such an honest, functional car is easy to love. Whatever the reason, we think quite a few families will find the Rondo meets their diverse transportation needs as well as or better than a variety of different vehicles. The Rondo was introduced 2 years ago to the US market. This small wagon boasts a number of desirable attributes. Being a Kia, it's also priced competitively and comes with long warranty coverage. For 2009, the Rondo's engines have been upgraded. The four-cylinder now makes 175 horsepower versus 162 last year. Increases don't come automatic transmission, the cost of fuel economy. This Rondo is a one-owner vehicle with no accidents or damage reported from Carfax. It has 4 new tires, and the brake pads are new. The Rondo still has the remainder of the factory warranty available. Also available is an affordable extended warranty, 5 years 100,000 miles. The exterior and interior of the Rondo has been professionally detailed. Please contact Pranay Gaikwad, Director of Digital Media, for more details and to schedule a test drive.